everyone. Now, as promised, this is a DIY that your kids will erupt with joy over. If you want to give them a little bit of a science lesson over the summer, you can make this really cool volcano watermelon.
This, like Team Murphy, my kids lost their minds over this. So you take a watermelon, I slice the bottom off so it sits nice and upright.
Okay.
And then you hollow it out. Scoop it out, use a melon ball scooper. Watermelon is also a phenomenal snack high in lycopene, can't argue with that.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Right for you.
And then you fill it with baking soda.
Just like we did in science class.
Just like in science class. But what better volcano than a watermelon?
This is
shape,
brilliant.
right? Now, guys, are you ready for this? I'm going to fill it with vinegar. I can smell the vinegar.
And food coloring?
And we put some food coloring in it just to up the fun factor, right? Because it's always more fun
it's
if it's
lava.
colorful. It's lava.
See this lava.
Okay,
I'm ready to see
who's
this.
ready to see what
This is really going to explode. There's so much baking soda in there. Wow.
That's so cool.
Oh, that is awesome.
That's not messy.
That is awesome.
Okay, again, an outdoor activity perhaps.
Right, do not do this inside. Megan, thank you so much for these really cool crafts. And thank you guys. You did such a great job, Lauren.
Thank you.
But a huge thank you. The biggest thank you of all to this girl right here, Jill Wagner. She did such a great job for the last 3 days. Thank you so much.
I love you guys.
We are going to miss you. We are really going to miss you, Jill. You come back and play again, right?
Absolutely. You know I will.
I know you will. You bring all those animals, too. I want all 3 cows here. You make sure to join me again tomorrow because Mark Ballas will be co-hosting with me.
All right. And plus, from Wedding March 4, something old, something new, Hallmark stars Jack Wagner and Josie Bassett are in our home.
And is going to be making gorgeous quilted placemats. You don't want to miss any of that, you guys. All right, come on. Let's make some more of this.
A little more.
And it just keeps going.
Isn't that awesome?
That's amazing. Would you like to try? Go ahead.
Darren!
He's got a new favorite thing to do.
And you can clean it up, freeze it, and reuse it if you want
Try.
to.
Come here. Oh, that's right. You can refreeze.
There's so much of that in there.